Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am out running some errands. Today I am at a place called Ombré Nail Spa to get my nails done. Today the girl that usually does my nails has moved to this location, so I'm gonna get my nails done. I don't know exactly what shape I'm gonna get this time. I want to try something different, but we will see. So I just wanted to check in, say hello, and after my nail appointment, I'm gonna try to go to Dollar General, and then I think I may go to Carolina Pottery. So I'm gonna take you guys along with me to do a bit of shopping. Again, you guys already know, if you've been following my channel, that I am in the process of moving, so I should be in our home shortly. So I've been kind of buying a few things that I think that we need, or things that I feel like I know I will want for my home. So if you guys are interested in seeing this video, coming along with me today, just continue watching. If you guys aren't subscribed to my channel, please consider doing so. And I will be getting ready to check back in with you guys soon. And just to let you guys see, this is what my hair is looking like today. And I probably will have a video on exactly how I got my hair like this, so that you guys can see. So these are pretty much heatless curls, but a video will be coming soon to show you guys exactly how I get my hair looking like this. So I will talk to you guys again shortly.
They said, say Nick, what you got up in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack, hurt my back, yeah. They said, say Nick, what you got up in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack, hurt my back, yeah. They said, say Nick, what you got up in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack, hurt my back, yeah. They said, say Nick, what you got up in that bag. I got racks in my sack, hurt my back. Merry Christmas, everybody.
Whoa, oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh, oh. La, da, da, da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. 'Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh, oh. I've been hanging marbles in the tree, and I've lit my house with Christmas lights. So you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols that you love. We'll be singing all the melodies until the sun comes up. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be?
Okay guys, I am back and I have made it home, and as you saw, I did run a few errands, but I want to go ahead and show you guys my nails. So this is what we are working with right now, and I think they are super cute. This is something a little bit out of the norm for me because I normally go with more neutral colors, but I thought this was a good balance. This is like a rust and a nude mix, and then she added some detail to my fingernails, and this is the first time I've gotten the all of my nails stiletto, so that is what they are looking like. So I did go to Dollar General like I said before, and I also went to Carolina Pottery. So I'm going to start off by showing you guys a few things that I got from Dollar General, and I am very excited about those because when I go in Dollar General, I don't normally see anything or think I'm going to see anything that I'm actually going to like, but I did find a few items for the house. One of the first things I found was this beautiful candle holder, and it's pretty large, but I think this is the medium size, and it's like this in the top so you can put your candle, and it was only $14 from Dollar General. So I love this. This one is white and gold with just a little bit of gray, which if you guys have looked at my previous cleaning day video, you'll see that a lot of the colors in my home is gold, whites, and grays. So I'm pretty much going to stick with that as a base, and then if I decide to add in any color, I will do that at that time. But this is a beautiful candle holder that I got, and it was $14 like I said. And so when I looked at that one, right next to it they had a few others, so I got this one as well, and it is large. So just as a comparison, this one is the medium size one and this one is the large one. So this one, like I said, is white gold with a little bit of gray, and this one is gold with more of the gray in it. You can see that a little bit, and this one was $16. So these are the two things that I got from Dollar General, and I can't wait to figure out where exactly I will be placing this in our home, but I'm sure it will be making a debut, and hopefully you guys will want to stick around so you can see that process. I also got this Wild Roses scented soap petals. It comes with a 20 count, and I'm probably going to use these when I am taking a bath at night, because it does say these beautiful petals are hand dipped in glycerin soap and fragrance. Use one petal at a time, perfect for a quick hand wash or a luxurious bath. So that's how I plan to use them, and I don't know how much these were because I don't have the receipt offhand, but I will try to locate the receipt if I have it, and I'll put how much they were in the description box down below. But I like these a lot because they have the purple, reds, and a lot of different other pink colors, so I am very excited to use this in the future. I'm gonna go on and show you guys what I picked up from Carolina Pottery. I picked up this 4-inch animal print ornament, and it is $3.99, and this is what it looks like. So that is very, very pretty to me. My kids really liked when I did the red theme for Christmas, so I thought this was a way to spice it up, but to actually also use something different. So I got 5 of these, and I can't wait to use these. Picked up the mini dot ribbon, and I only picked up one of these, and this is what it looks like, and it was $8.99. Like that a lot, and I may use these together. It just depends on if I feel like it'll be doing too much or not. But let me know in the comment section if you guys would pair these together on one Christmas tree, or what colors you would do. So let me know in the comment section. And I also got this is another leopard print ribbon, but it doesn't really say the name on it, and it was $7.99, and it looks like this. And I like this one as well, because I am thinking about doing leopard print on one of my Christmas trees next year, but I'm not sure. But I picked this up because I didn't want to let it stay in the store and then it's gone the next time I go back to find it. So I have this, and to go with that, I picked up 7 of these like little stems or little picks that you could add into the Christmas tree for $2.99, and it looks like this in the bag, but this is how it looks when you pull it out, and I thought it was so nice. So I'm kind of also debating if I want to do white and black ornaments or white and like a chocolate ornament, but this is what it looks like. And I know I don't have it fluffed out as well as it should be. I thought those were so beautiful. So, and like I said, they were only $2.99, so I picked up about 7 of these. And if I don't use this on one of our main Christmas trees, I may use these on the Christmas tree in my office or in the master bedroom. So let me know down in the comment section if you would do white and like a chocolate ornaments, or if you would do the white and black. So let me know what you guys would do and leave those down in the comment section. So that is everything that I have to show you guys in this vlog. If you guys like this type of video from me, please give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment. Know any of the recommendations that you may have, and I will see you guys in my next video.